Create, edit and delete design. Now creating designs for your own ID cards is made easy. While creating or editing an organization, define the company type here. Here, the exhibition type is defined. Now use the select option to view the available designs. Here, a new option is provided to create a new design. Now before creating an ID card design, we will select the ID card size to which you want to create the design. In the drop-down menu here, you can see various ID card sizes. You can choose any desired size, or you can also create your own design size. Say here, let's create a sample ID card to make you familiar with the process. The edit option here is provided to add and edit the ID card sizes. A window will appear after clicking on the edit icon. Here in the size box, you can see various sizes have already been preloaded. You can click on any of the size to see and edit the parameters on it. The changes can be saved with the Save button. Now if you want to create a new size, click on the Add icon. Here, define the name of the new size. Now, define the units and the DPI from here. Here define the width and the height of the ID card. Now you can flip the orientation of the ID card from here and convert a portrait ID card into a landscape and a landscape ID card into a portrait. Define the left, right, top and bottom margins from here. If you want to create designs for a duplex ID card, check the duplex checkbox or keep the checkbox unchecked. Now save the designs with the Save button. The size will be added in the size list. And in this way, you can create sizes for ID cards and save them. Now here, click on the OK button. Now from the drop-down menu, select the size of the ID card. If you want to change the page size, all the created designs will be lost. If you want to change the size anyway, select the Yes option. The page size will be changed according to the size selected by you. Now as you have selected the duplex page design, here the front and the back both pages will appear. You can design both the pages simultaneously. Now as the page is already in selected size, let's proceed to designing. To insert a background onto the page, go on to the Background tab. Here, a collection of backgrounds is provided. You can increase the thumbnail size of the background to have a better view. You can also browse and import your own backgrounds. Now if you want to apply backgrounds onto only the front side of the page, select the front option and double-click on the background. In the same way, you can apply a background only to the back of the page by choosing the back option. And also apply the background onto both the pages by selecting the both option. Now insert the background by double-clicking on it. Here, you have a ready tone option which generates 18 ready tones of the selected backgrounds. You can expand the background onto the page by checking the Fit to Size checkbox. Now after inserting the background, you can insert various ID card fields. Here, in the Organization tab, you can see various organization fields. You can click and insert the field. Here, let's start from the company logo. When you click on it, a sample field appears on the page. You can resize and place it onto the page where you actually want to keep it on the ID card design. Similarly, add other organizational fields too. Here, the organization's name field is inserted. You can manage the size of the field from the Title tab. You can also manage the effects of the field to insert all the contact information of the organization at once. You can use the address combo with the caption in the Organization tab. Insert and place it onto the page. Here, authority signature. The authority name and authority designation is also inserted from the Organization tab. Now let's say, add a shape onto the page. Just double-click on a desired shape and add it onto the page. Drag and place the shape on the page on any desired location. The shape can be custom with the Customize option. You can manage the width of the outline of the shape with this slider. The color of the outline can also be changed with the help of the color picker or the color palette. Now here, click on the color picker and pick any color from the whole screen. Also manage the opacity of the shape outline. The shape can be filled with the color by checking the Fill Shape checkbox. The fill color will be selected from the color picker or the color palette. Also define the opacity of the fill. To assign this shape at the top center of the front page, select the front page, and from the Page Base Alignment tab, choose the top center option. You can also align the shape with respect to the safe area by selecting the Respect Safe Area option and then selecting the top center option. And in this way, you can manage the page preferences and align objects with reference to the page. Now here, let's add the ID card holders fields. Here a tab is provided according to the organization type you select. We have chosen the exhibition as the organization type, so the exhibition type is provided. You will see various fields according to the preferences defined while customizing the fields. You can insert fields by clicking on it. Now let's insert an ID card number. Now here, manage the font size from the Title tab and place it onto the page. Also give desired effects, if any. To align the ID card at the top center, at the horizontal center of the shape, select the shape first and then the ID field. From the Object-Based Alignment tab, select the horizontal center option and the ID card will be aligned. Here, let's add some more fields from the Exhibition tab. Say first, the photo, name, and the designation fields can be added. Manage the size of the photo and the size of the name and the designation. To align the photo, the name, and the designation at the horizontal center of the front page, select them all one by holding the Control key on your keyboard. And from the Page Base Alignment tab, select the horizontal center option. Now say if you want to add any title, you can add it here from the Title tab. Do not keep any field selected. You can see a white space type here. Type the title you want to add. The title will appear on the page. Here, the location field is added as the location of the entry of the visitor is going to be entered in the front of it. Manage the size and the effects. Now add the location field in the front of the title. Now in the same way, you can add title and the fields. To bring the title and the related fields on the same height, select the title and the fields from the Object-Based Alignment tab. Here, select the vertical center option. The title and the field will be aligned at the same height. Same way, manage the position of the other titles and their fields too. You can also align titles to the left or the right side with the references to each. Select both the titles and then select the right option here in the Object-Based Alignment tab. Similarly, align fields by selecting the left option from the Object-Based Alignment tab. Add shapes onto the page as per your requirement. You can also use the alignment tools for aligning the shapes. A QR code field of the selected data fields can be added on the ID card. For that, a QR field needs to be created on the design. Here, in the Exhibition tab, select the QR field and place it onto the page. Resize the QR code according to the page design. To align all the objects onto the center of the back page, select all the objects one by holding the Control key and use the horizontal center option in the Page Base Alignment tab. Here, clip arts can be added by just double-clicking on it. You can apply various effects onto the photo field and automatically update it with all the ID card designs. You can see various type of effects and ready presets for each present. You can apply it by just double-clicking on it. Or you can customize the content of the effect from the Custom option. Now the Mask tab allows you to put masking effects onto the photo. You must select the photo and then double-click on the mask you want to apply. The mask can be reset with the help of the Reset button. And in this way, the ID card can be designed quite easily. Now save the design with the Save button. Here, define the color, the theme, and the name of the design that you're saving. This helps you see designs under proper filters while filtering. Designs can be built from the Build option available in the Design tab. The designs will appear on the page. Select the design you want to build and click on the Build icon. Give the volume a name and also define a saving part. Check the I agree to the terms and conditions checkbox and build the design. The design will be built and you can view them by using the Open button. And in this way, the design can be created in the desired size. To edit the design permanently, select the Edit option from here, available while creating and editing organization. Edit the design with the help of various options available and save it. These changes you did in the design will be permanently updated in the design gallery. Now if you want to change the design only for this organization, make it in the final window and save it from here. The designs can be deleted from the delete button available in the design tab. You can also import designs with the import option.